There is something called Trojan Horse, you know, right? Trojan Horse story. Anyone know Trojan Horse story? Is that Trojan Horse, by the way? The virus name, antivirus name. Very good. I don't. Why so much silence? Yes or no?
No, no, sir.
Yes, yes.
No idea.
Okay. There is an antivirus. Okay, if you start your career very old like me, 2006, 2007, that time there is a okay uh, Trojan Horse antivirus is there. It was very famous in every company. Almost this antivirus was there. Now so many things came, but that time this was the antivirus we used to use. First thing. Second thing, why they kept Trojan Horse name? What is the meaning of Trojan Horse? This is different story. Okay. So anyone know the story of Trojan Horse here?
Here.
Okay.
Yes.
You must see in the movie called Troy, correct? So
Yes. Yes.
in the history of some of okay, maybe I don't know the European countries. Okay. Now history means their countries only. Indian history. Okay. Africa history. That and all not histories. Okay. There is a different meaning of history, right? Anyone know what is the meaning of history? Okay.
Itihas.
Itihas. No. The history is something where it is written and sponsored by someone who was administrating in that part time. Correct? Yes. You, in these histories, do you really see the real history? No.
No,
Okay.
sir.
No. Okay. Whoever was ruling, that guy will sponsor. That history will be written. Then that will be imposed on the people. Good. Okay. That's why in the Indian history, if you just go to Indian history and see, na, you don't see about Indians. Good. Nice, na. Right. So the Trojan horse one, the Greek. Okay. So there was a huge war, Troy war. So few people from different locations will attack on one place, and they will fight, and they will fed up, and then they will say, "We can't even fight more. We will leave." That's the final conclusion. When they're leaving it, what they do is they will give one horse kind of this one, big one. It's a kind of two buildings, three buildings height one. They will make this one with a wood, and then they will present it to the king. Okay, enemy is giving a gift. That too while he's leaving. At least they need to check now. Security gate pass needs to be passed, right? Correct. At least they need to check and then take it now inside it. Okay. What this guy, mad guy, old guy did it is the king. Okay, they are giving gift and I like that horse one. Okay, let it get it inside. Then they took that one inside of the uh, campus. When you say campus means kingdom. So what those guys did is they were there inside. So they kept some nice 20, 30 warriors, full like actual warriors who can really fight well. They don't put every army, no. They put main guys, nice guys, right? In this one. So night they came out. Okay, they opened the doors of main gate and they started killing everyone. Invaded. That's it. That's the history of Trojan Horse. You see some one movie called Troy. Very nice movie. Very interesting movie. It's about war and all. Okay, you see this movie. It will be good. Plan this one. Very old one, but very good one. Okay, nice. So once I get the control of this guy, I can do anything. No? I got it. Trojan horse passed. The antivirus passed inside. Means Trojan horse passed. That's why they given the name of the antivirus as Trojan horse. Correct? Getting it now?